Alright. Alright, boys. So we're going somewhere cool today. So our cars don't work, so we're going K1 speed.
Yo, check out this GT3.
Oh,
It has a BBI exhaust system. Motherfucking 4.0.
Four.
Sick.
It's got the center lock?
Son of a, you know what? Race car, dude.
Yeah. But I'm gonna go lap this guy.
I can't even lie. He probably is.
You know, I should have videotaped when we're at the RC, but you know what? Seat time is seat time. Whether there's a car, remote control car, or some go-karts. Let's do it. So we're at K1 speed inside. We got some people that just got off. Sick sparkle seats to chill. Ooh, and here's the booth.
Fuck you.
Okay, let's try to beep that out. So what you gotta say, man?
I suck at this.
Yeah, so I laughed them, you guys. I hella laughed them.
Lewis Hamilton, teach me how to race.
We got Vicky Icky taking out that sticky icky.
Let's start the video again.
Yeah, I don't have any painter's tape and shit.
Wait, that's too strong?
I think so,
It's
because
too, like-
when you put it on top of that, it might be too strong for this. Well, we can fucking try it.
Oh,
This
you
whole
need-
thing's an experiment.
Well,
anyway, at this point.
Well, I got painter's tape, so
Do you?
yeah, I'll go get it.
Jaboos.
Shit looks hella wet. Like,
Hold it.
wet.
It's for YouTube. We're gonna put your IG and your business. If you... What do you mean? That's why I handed it to you.
Fucking hate vlogs.
So
Fuck vlogs.
so you guys, I fucked up on the measurements. So we got the expert fixing my
So means I get to keep
shit.
this, right? 'Cause it's my errors.
Oh
You
hell!
guys don't, sorry.
Hey, dude, that's
This
just
is my boy.
$30.
These have to go back to the factory, but we only needed one